The Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth Earbuds are designed to deliver a superior listening experience. For your convenience, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below. These earbuds feature world-renowned noise cancellation, allowing you to block out distractions and enjoy your music, podcasts, or calls without interruption. Whether you're working, traveling, or exercising, these wireless earbuds will keep you focused and immersed in your audio. The Bose QuietComfort Earbuds provide powerful, proven audio quality. You'll hear your music the way it was meant to be heard, with deep bass and rich sound. Every note, every beat is crisp and clear, making these earbuds the perfect choice for anyone who loves high-quality audio. Whether you're listening to a podcast or your favorite playlist, the audio experience is always top-notch. With these Bluetooth earbuds, you can enjoy up to 8.5 hours of playtime on a full charge, so you can listen all day long without worrying about running out of battery. If you need more power in a pinch, a quick 20-minute charge in the wireless case gives you an additional 2 hours of playback time. This makes the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds perfect for those long days or commutes when you need a boost. Achieving the perfect fit is essential for both comfort and sound quality, and these earbuds deliver just that. They come with 3 sizes of ear tips and stability bands that help you find a secure, comfortable fit. Whether you're working out, traveling, or just relaxing at home, these earbuds will stay snug and secure, so you don't have to worry about them slipping out. The Bluetooth multipoint feature lets you connect your Bose QuietComfort earbuds to multiple devices simultaneously, so you can easily switch between your phone, laptop, or tablet without missing a beat. With Bluetooth 5.3 technology, you can stay connected within a range of up to 30 feet from your device, giving you the freedom to move around without losing connection. You'll have full control over your listening experience with the customizable tab control buttons. Adjust the volume, skip songs, or pause and play all with a simple tap on the earbuds. You can also use the Bose QCE app to fine-tune your audio settings, adjusting the EQ to get the sound just the way you like it. The app also helps you manage your battery life and check the status of connected devices. For anyone who is serious about their audio experience, the Bose QuietComfort Bluetooth earbuds offer an unbeatable combination of sound quality, comfort, and convenience. For your convenience, we recommend you to check the best price in the description below. These earbuds will take your music, calls, and entertainment to new heights, all while blocking out the distractions around you.